Today we have a one exercise to practice, and each exercise they have a multiple choice. So the question over top here, and they have a multiple choice question be from A to D. So we don't know which one the answer. So now we calculate to find the right answer. A rectangle has an area of 193 square feet. It is 6 feet 4 inches wide. What is the length to the nearest inch? Okay, now we're going to draw the rectangle. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to draw a rectangle. Okay, so they notice they give the area. No? So they give the area. You know that area, right? Area equal. This is area, right? So we know that area equal 193 square feet, and they give the and then they told us the width. This is the width, okay? This is area, okay? Width is equal how much? 6 feet and 4 inch. 6 feet 4 inch. So now they're asking for what is the length. This is the length. We don't know the length to the nearest inch. So now we're gonna write a formula of the rectangle. The formula is A equal L length times width. So now you know that the area is 193 square feet. And then length, we don't know, they didn't give anything there. And time width, they give what? 6 inch for 6 foot 4 inch. Now we got it. What we're gonna looking for? Length. Okay, we're gonna write down 193 square feet equal length times 6. We're gonna convert 6 feet 4 inch to feet. So 6 plus 4 divided by 12 equal. Okay, we write down over here 193 square feet and length. What we're gonna do, what we're gonna find, we just go to calculator. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we just look in the calculator here. Okay, now 4 divided by 12 equal and plus 6 equal what? 6. This one 6.33. So now we're looking for L, length. What is the L? So we find L and 193 square feet divided by 6.33. What is we get? Okay, now we go 193 divided by 6.33 equal 30.48 feet. Okay, this is feet, but so now we know the length is equal 30.48. This is the length. Yeah. But we don't know inch, because they said to the nearest inch here, to the nearest inch. So we got the 0. Let's say I just write down over here 0.48 inch. We're looking for inch if we multiply by 12 equal. Okay. Now we minus 30 equal and times 12 to the nearest inch equal 5.87. Yeah, we got only 2 decimal. So now we got this inch, but we look into the nearest inch. This is 5.87. Can we round up? Yeah, because the 8 is bigger than 4. So we are going to round up this equals 6 inch. So the answer is 30 feet and 6 inch. That is the answer. So take a look at this. Take a look at the answer here. So it is 36. The right answer is number D, 36. 30 feet 6 inch. Yeah, that is the right answer. 30 feet 6 inch. Yeah, thank you for watching.